Hey, what's going on, guys? So this video, I didn't make it completely the way I wanted because I didn't put like a before and after because I wanted to do like a time lapse with me changing the bumpers, but it's way too cold outside to do it, and it was snowing, it was raining, like it was too much to record while doing it, so I just had to rush and do it as fast as I could. But the car is almost done, full M Sport kit almost done. I got the catless downpipe. I'll show you guys the full thing in a second. I'll just give you like a little sneak peek right now, but that's what's coming along. It's pretty dirty. I gotta bring it to a car wash later because I can't wash it myself. It's just gonna, the water's just gonna freeze. But I did the front bumper yesterday and I did the catless downpipe the day before that. Right now I'm doing my rear bumper. Car looks so nice. Only thing I didn't get is the side skirts. So like, if I really don't like the stock ones after the car is done, I'll just get the M Sport ones as well. I have them, I just gotta paint match them. But it's coming along. This is what it looks like so far. But not gonna show you too much till it's done. I got my muffler tips, you know, it's coming along pretty nice. Plus I already got the M Sport steering wheel, as some of you guys might know. I don't know if you guys just heard that, it's my uncle's Challenger. So car is coming along, super excited for it. And right now it's like 1 degrees outside Celsius, so it's pretty cold. Just trying to get everything done. And my uncle is moving his Challenger out of the garage because it's heated in there, and then I'm gonna bring my car in, and hopefully I get to install my front lip because I need to use some double-sided tape to stick it. Then I'm gonna screw it, and also my trunk lip. So right now I don't got a trunk lip on there, so you guys can see nothing. And my 335i, I have some black ones that I'm gonna put on there as well. But I'm just getting done with this, finishing up, just screwing up the bumper. But there's an old one. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. I'll show you guys once it's done and I wash the car and everything. So yeah. Alright guys, so right now it's like 1 a.m. I'm at a gas station. Just finished working on my car, but this is what it looks like. Full M Sport kit, front lip, trunk lip, everything installed. Look at that. That shit looks nice. It looks so much better. It's just my rims. I need to get new rims. Like I have new rims, but these are my winters. So in March, I think I can put my summers on. So I have some black BMW OEM rims. So I'm gonna put those on. I'm gonna put on my springs. The car's gonna look much, much better with the rims. But you know, for now, this is how I'm looking. It looks way better than stock though. And with the lights on, I'll show you guys what it looks like too. You can't really see. Let me turn down the thing. Yeah, you guys can't really see much of the lights on, but you know, it's looking good. It's very nice. I'm obsessed with it. I washed it and everything, and it's freezing out, but you know, had to wash it. In the back, I have the PSM style lip, I think it is. But look how nice that looks. A lot of work. This took 3 days of work to do all of this, but you know, it's definitely worth it. Looks way better than how it was at first. I'm already getting like compliments on the car, like people at stoplights and stuff now is like giving me thumbs up. Super nice. But you know, I'm gonna get tuned soon, and like I said, I'm gonna get new rims, everything. My car is fully bolt on, so I can go stage 2 right now if I want. I just ordered the OBD thing, the Bluetooth thingy, so I'm just waiting for that to come in, then I'll tune it. But I also, like I said, I'm gonna get the rims. I'm gonna get my springs installed at the shop because I can't do that myself. And yeah, when I get the springs, I'm also going to do a resonator delete. So right now I'm fully bolt on, like I said. So air intake, charge pipe, catless downpipe, intercooler, I have everything fully bolt on. Yeah. And so my car sounds better than stock because of the catless downpipe, but I'm going to get a res delete as well, so it's a little bit louder. And yeah, then I'm going to tune it as well. So you know, a lot of content coming, a lot of content. This is my muffler tips, the ones with the M on there. It's carbon fiber. It's just a bit dirty. Like I literally just washed the car, but it's raining and snowing, so it gets back dirty pretty quick. But you know, that's it for now. Just very excited to share this with you guys because a lot of you guys are looking forward to seeing it. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one.